Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's one, as you can see, we're going to create this beautiful smoky cat eye makeup look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Thank you for watching this makeup look with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And for more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.